Hey guys, how you doing? It's Awesome Kaleem, Instagram Phase 1. Today I'm going to show you how to change the brake pads on a 2018 Camaro SS 1LE. As you can see, I'm actually going to be showing you these Brembo brakes here if you want to come on closer. So there's a lot of different Brembo brakes, but this specific one is the 6-piston Brembo brake. And this is the part number here. You can actually get this from your local Chevy dealership. And this is how the brake pads look like actually. Here, these are the front brake pads. Got some numbers here. You can probably order them separately, but if you go to GM, they look like this. All right. So let's go ahead and begin. All right, guys, this is the caliper from the profile of the caliper. If you go right to the back side of it, it's really simple. You've got these pins right here. These pins, you can actually just tap this out. So you could just use something like this and you can tap that in. This bottom one here, you tap this out too, and you can pull these out. And then this one is actually held by a bolt, so that's a 13 millimeter. You're gonna screw that off. All of this is gonna come out, and then the brake pads are there. They're gonna slide out. If you're super duper strong, you could just push these brake pads towards the calipers to make the pistons go in, or you can use a tool, which I'll go ahead and show you, okay? Once you got that, you're gonna take this off. It's 13 millimeter. All right, guys. So the only thing that works on the passenger side for me is this little guy. Looks like a little limp dick. Give it a try. Alright guys, so this thing goes like this. So this tool is PT Performance Tool. I got it from O'Reilly's. And I just like it because it kind of spreads these brake pads so that the pistons go in. So I'm going to try to do that really quick for you guys so you can see it. The reason we're doing this is because the new brake pads are larger. So, you know, you need more space to slide them in. A little bit. Do it on the top and on the bottom. All right, and then what you guys do is you just slide it out. And then guys, what you want to do, as you can see, the pistons hit right here from the brakes. So you want to make sure you have, you know, the brake grease mostly on these areas to kind of match it, but then spread it evenly out throughout the whole thing. And once you have that in there, you're just going to put these pins back on. Put a little bit of the blue gel. Tighten everything up and you're good to go. Alright guys, the rear ones are just like the front ones, but they're easier. All you have to do is you have to tap this out, you have to tap this out, and then it just kind of looks like this, as you can see. So once you tap that out, the bracket comes out. And then again, you can compress the pistons, or you can use your fingers and then slide the new ones in. It's that simple. And here is part numbers and stuff if you need it. That's in the box. And then you just put this back in like this. This goes here. This goes in there. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us out. And thank you again. See you guys on the other side.